Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy in the computer room 3. I'm going to attach some JPEGs showing you a general view around the computer room and also specifically some shots of my uh, battery backup power scrubber units. And the battery that I have attached a pigtail to so that two of these battery backup units can be wired into it. 30 amps, but then I only have to do one since what I do is electricity comes out the wall into one power scrubber charging up its battery. The other power scrubber plugged into the first one. Then it goes to the two power bars for the two computers, the surround sound, burners, computer room stuff that belongs with two computers. So, instead of that little itty bitty motorcycle battery, that's what it is, a 12-volt motorcycle battery. You can go to Napa Auto Parts and buy one for a lot less than APC Inc. charges for a replacement. And they just put their sticker. Expensive freaking sticker. Anyway, think about that. 30 amp hours battery backup through a power scrubber for your modem computer monitor. If you're a real geek, you could be at the, for an entire power outage and not know about it. Hey, good night.